Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia C32 and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on system updates, and as you can see here we've got the first information, so in my case the update is available, so let's tap on it. And as you can see, if in your case your device also can be updated, you will have this information. What is new, you can always check it, the advisory notice, the update size, etc. So you can have all information about it. And basically all you have to do is to tap on restart now or download, so your device will be allowed to download it and then apply it to your system. Of course, if you're up to date, your device will also inform you that you're up to date and you've got the newest version of the system. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.